Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving right into a pretty widely talked about weight management supplement called Moringa Actives. We're not just going to skim the label here, we're going to really pull it apart piece by piece and figure out exactly what makes it tick.
Because let's face it, the supplement market is packed, and honestly, it gets kind of confusing with all the marketing hype out there. So we're cutting right through all that noise today. What is literally inside this botanical formula? Let's get into it.
Section 1. Inside Moringa Actives, a multi-ingredient approach.
So that brings us to a magic number, 4. This whole formula is really designed for adults who are actively working on weight management. But instead of just leaning on one single ingredient, it brings together 4 very specific plant extracts and minerals. The whole idea here? A multi-ingredient approach just gives you a much more comprehensive support system than any one extract could ever do by itself.
Section 2. The power of moringa, the lead component.
Right at the foundation of this whole thing, we have moringa leaf extract. And what's really fascinating here is that moringa isn't some brand new lab-created trend. It has actually been valued across different cultures for literal centuries. Why? Well, it's a massive nutritional powerhouse. It's naturally loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, the whole shebang. It's absolutely the heavy lifter setting the stage for this formula.
So what is this heavy lifter actually doing for you? According to the product info, it's stepping in to support a healthy metabolism, helping maintain normal blood sugar and healthy cholesterol levels, and even aiding your body's natural detox processes. Essentially, it's trying to create this optimal physiological environment for anyone who's already sticking to a balanced weight management plan.
Section 3. 3 supporting ingredients. The supporting cast.
Okay, so now that we've got the lead, let's look at the supporting cast. First up is black pepper fruit extract, or more specifically, a natural compound inside it called piperine. Now, aside from maybe making you sneeze at the dinner table, black pepper extract acts as the ultimate amplifier. I mean, think about it. It doesn't matter how amazing a supplement is if your body can't actually absorb it, right? Piperine is in there specifically to help your body soak up and utilize those other ingredients way more efficiently.
Next on the list is Malabar tamarind extract. You might actually know this tropical fruit by its super popular wellness name, Garcinia cambogia. It is literally everywhere in nutritional supplements right now.
But hey, we need a bit of a reality check here. There's a careful balance to strike. The intended use for this ingredient is to support appetite control, right alongside your diet and exercise. However, we've got to point out that the actual scientific research on Garcinia cambogia, it's been pretty mixed. Even so, it definitely remains a hugely popular, heavily utilized ingredient across the whole industry.
The final piece of this 4-part puzzle isn't actually a plant at all. It's chromium. This is an essential trace mineral that really just rounds out the whole botanical formula by giving it some crucial foundational support.
So, why throw a trace mineral into the mix? Well, chromium actually contributes to normal macronutrient metabolism, which honestly is just a fancy scientific way of saying it helps your body process carbs, fats, and proteins. It also helps maintain normal blood glucose levels. For anyone trying to keep their eating habits in check, having that steadying effect can be a really useful addition to a nutritional plan.
So let's bring it all together. You can really see the intended synergy here. We've got moringa for metabolism and wellness support, black pepper for nutrient absorption, Malabar tamarind for appetite control, keeping that mixed research in mind, of course, and chromium for metabolic balance. It's designed to be a complete ecosystem that complements your healthy habits.
Section 4. Healthy habits and precautions. The reality check.
All right, as we wrap our heads around this formula, it is absolutely vital to ground our expectations. Dietary supplements are not magic solutions. There are no magic pills. Unless you've stumbled upon a literal magic bean, and spoiler alert, this isn't it, taking a botanical formula is not going to do all the heavy lifting for you. The plain truth is, the best results only happen when supplements are paired with non-negotiable lifestyle choices. We're talking a nutritious diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. A supplement is just that, a supplement. It's a supportive tool to use right alongside those fundamental pillars, definitely not a replacement for them.
And of course, safety always has to come first. Before starting any new dietary supplement, checking in with a healthcare professional is simply the smartest move you can make. This is especially crucial if you're pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or dealing with an existing medical condition. Always rely on your doctor to see if this fits your individual needs.
So we've thoroughly deconstructed the whole formula today. You know exactly what's inside, the why behind the moringa, the black pepper, the tamarind, and the chromium. But the most important variable isn't actually inside the capsule. It's you. Does this specific 4-part approach actually bridge a gap in your personal wellness journey? Or do your foundational, day-to-day habits maybe need a little tweaking first? Understanding exactly what goes into your body is a huge first step, but what you decide to do with that knowledge, well, that's entirely up to you.
To learn more about Moringa Actives, click the link in the description to explore the ingredients, learn more about the formula, and see if it's the right fit for your health and wellness goals.